In this video we are going to be analysing Tilray, ticker TLRY. Now it did close up around nearly 2% on the day. Obviously markets have closed, yes it is only 1:45. Reason markets are closed is it's a half day, we had Thanksgiving yesterday. So what are we paying attention to then on Tilray? Going forward, going into next week, what do we want to pay attention to? So what we're seeing on now is obviously we pushed up on Tilray, we're starting to get this pullback. Firstly, why are we getting this pullback? First deviation on the 1 year. We always expect a pullback. Again, 9 times out of 10 you'll get your pullback. That's the first trading opportunity. Now, you can see it looks like we're getting a bit of a bounce. So if I was short, again, the majority of size I would have looked in profits would have been a good trade opportunity. What am I paying attention to then going forward? $4.12 is really this key level. If we can break above 4.10, come back to test it as a support and it holds, this is a good indication Tilray is going to continue up, and that would be that next trading opportunity I'd be paying attention to. And where would our target be and where would our next resistance be? And that would be at 5.15, going high would be 5.90, breaking through there would be 6.35, going on to around 7.50 to 77.5, and a final level at $10 or 9.50. So these are our key resistances. What are key supports going lower? So we do have a level at 275 and 240, and we do have some final levels at 150, 30 cents, and also 60 cents. Now, a lot of levels here. Do you need to pay attention to all of them? No. So we're at 380. The only things I'd be focusing on is really to the upside. If we can break 410 again, get that retest and a support, and turns into a support, good trading opportunity. I'm looking for 5.15. On the other hand, if we continue to sell off, I'm not all interested in this stock, because between 270 and 240, this is our statistical mean. Between these areas, we are considered fair value. There is, at least in my opinion on how I view stocks, no trading opportunity. So the only time I have a trading opportunity if we continue down is from $1.50. Then I'm looking at it long bias. But really the best trading opportunity and more likely to happen is we break 410, break above it, come back to test it as a support. If it holds, 5.15 is our closest target. And again, that provides us 25% of upside. Obviously, you're not going to catch the bottom to the top. So usually 20% you could look at on that position. Definitely a good trading setup. And again, you don't even have to trade it through shares. I think Tilray does offer options. So you may be able to leverage this position and make some good returns on it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.